How to clear cache of Telegram. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all you have to do is open the Telegram app on your mobile device and make sure that you are signed in to your Telegram account. Once inside the Telegram app, tap on the settings icon available at the bottom right corner of your screen and navigate to your Telegram settings. Again, scroll down and tap on the data and storage option available there. Inside data and storage, you will get to see storage used option available on the top, and all you have to do is tap on it. Once you tap on it, tap on the clear cache option available there and clear the entire cache of Telegram easily. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.